Hi, I'm bald now. I don't care about video quality anymore, so I'm just going to make it how I want it. So you want to make a inflatable, you want to make a DIY spa? Well, I found a cheap way to do it for under like $100. First things first, you need an inflatable pool. Less litres the better, smaller you can because it heats up a lot faster. This one here is from Catch of the Day. As you can see, children are not included, sadly. I think this is one of the new water growing ones, so how about we just... Whoa! Damn, that grew fast. It's already done as well, all in one. The way I hooked everything up is I got some tube meant for like pool piping and filtering and all that, and I drilled a hole in the brick, used one of these ram set things, and I screwed in so it doesn't fling everywhere. The original idea was to only use second-hand fish tank heaters because they get pretty hot, so I'm using one of them because I've changed my mind. That was cheaper. As it is now, it'll probably take about 5-6 hours to heat up. Going to put a top over it so it doesn't all the heat doesn't go out, and for the wiring and all that shit, the main piece of this I've got a spa pump motor off Gumtree for $40. Simple as that. I'm putting all the electronics in here so it doesn't get rained on, and you need to make sure you use PVC around the heater end. And when you first do it, you need to make sure you flush out all the air, so hold like both the pipes higher and pour water in, because if there's any air in the motor, it won't run. If it doesn't turn on, blow on the little tube here, and it instantly turns on, so be careful about that. And that's really it. So, how do we get a start temperature? See how it goes. It is 22 degrees Celsius. It'll take probably about 5 or 6 hours to get to 37 degrees, but that's for our actual spot, which is well over that. Another thing, I put towels underneath it so the heat doesn't go directly to the concrete. That's very important. And that's it really. As long as you make sure it doesn't get rained on. And when you plug it in, don't put your hand near either of the pipes, your fingers get stuck in them. Learn the hard way. That's like hell. And that's it. Okay, well it's been about 3 months since the last clip, but it's time to turn it on and check the temp. Well, start temp at least. At the moment it's 16 degrees, and the time is 10:30 exactly. Okay, so it's the next day. I left it on for nearly 24 hours straight. It has been like 12 degrees at night and really cold, but it has been a little bit sunny. So, let's say it is 29 degrees. Not gonna focus, but 30. Yeah, about 30 degrees, which that's not too bad because it's only an 800 watt motor. If you got two of them together, then you can get double the heat. And if you left it running overnight, it would even go better. But I couldn't do that. But yeah, simple as that, really. Oh, I forgot to say, the ambient temperature here is 16 degrees for the water. So it's extra 14 degrees hotter. Okay, bye!